Hi, I'm Silke. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm a psychologist and life coach, and I make videos for handling typical social interactions like talking to your boss, talking to your colleagues, or about conflict management and about stress management. Today, we are diving into a topic that touches every single one of us every single day. Our topic is individual decision making. Whether it's picking what to wear in the morning or making big life choices about your career or relationships, decision making is at the heart of everything we do. Understanding how to make good choices can really boost our happiness and success. So let's explore the art of decision making, share some strategies for making good choices, and highlight why thoughtful decision making is so beneficial. Decision making is a fundamental aspect of our lives, intricately woven into the fabric of our daily routines and long term plans. At its core, decision making involves selecting the best course of action from a variety of available options. This process requires us to carefully evaluate the pros and cons of each choice, consider potential outcomes, and ultimately choose the path that aligns most closely with our personal goals and values. Decisions can range from the mundane, such as what to have for breakfast, to the profound, like choosing a career path or deciding where to live. Each decision, regardless of its size, carries its own weight and significance. For instance, consider the decision to pursue higher education. This choice demands a thorough examination of factors such as the potential career benefits, the financial investment required, and the personal commitment needed to succeed in an academic environment. By weighing these pros and cons, individuals can make an informed decision that aligns with their long-term career aspirations and financial goals. On a smaller scale, deciding what to eat for lunch might seem trivial, but it can also reflect broader values, such as a commitment to healthy living or environmental sustainability. The complexity of decision making varies greatly. Some decisions are straightforward, requiring minimal thought and analysis. For example, choosing between two similar products might only involve a quick comparison of price and features. In contrast, more complex decisions, such as investing in a new business venture, necessitate a deeper level of analysis, including market research, risk assessment, and financial planning. These decisions demand a careful balance of logic and intuition, drawing up in both quantitative data and personal insight. Regardless of the complexity, making good choices is essential. When our decisions are in harmony with our values and goals, we are more likely to achieve our objectives and experience a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. This alignment empowers us to move confidently towards our targets, fostering a sense of purpose and direction in our lives. Conversely, poor decisions can lead to a host of negative consequences, including undesired outcomes, increased stress, and lingering regret. For example, accepting a job offer without thoroughly considering its impact on work-life balance might lead to burnout and dissatisfaction. The importance of honing the ability to make good choices cannot be overstated. It is a skill that is vital for both personal and professional growth. In our personal lives, the ability to make thoughtful decisions can enhance our relationships, improve our health, and increase our overall well-being. Professionally, strong decision-making skills can lead to career advancement, increased productivity, and a greater capacity to handle complex challenges. For instance, a manager who consistently makes well-informed decisions can inspire confidence in their team and drive organizational success. So, decision-making is an integral part of life that influences our happiness and our success. By understanding the decision-making process and striving to make choices that align with our values and goals, we lay the groundwork for a fulfilling and rewarding life. Embracing this skill and continuously seeking to improve it can lead to personal and professional growth, helping us navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and confidence. Making good choices is an art that combines various strategies and insights. Let's look deeper into how we can enhance this ability. The first step in making sound decisions is defining your goals. This might seem straightforward, but it requires a deep reflection to understand what truly matters to you. You need to be crystal clear about what you want to achieve, because this clarity will serve as your compass, guiding you in making choices that align with your objectives. For example, if your overarching aim is to lead a healthier lifestyle, then your decisions, whether they're about what to eat, how often to exercise, or how to manage stress, should consistently support this goal. Imagine setting a routine that includes balanced meals and regular workouts, while also incorporating relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga. When your daily choices reflect your broader objectives, you create a pathway to achieving them more effectively. The next important step is gathering information. Making informed decisions is generally more effective because it reduces uncertainty and it provides a solid foundation for your choices. This process involves taking the time to collect and evaluate relevant information about the options available to you. For example, if you're considering buying a new car, you might start by researching different models, comparing features, reading reviews, and perhaps even visiting showrooms to test drive a few options. Additionally, seeking advice from trusted sources such as friends who own similar cars or automotive experts can provide valuable insights. Reflecting on your past experiences with previous vehicles can also offer lessons that guide your current decision. The more comprehensive your information, the better equipped you'll be to make a choice that suits your needs and preferences. Once you've gathered information, it's crucial to consider the consequences of your decisions. Every decision brings with it a range of potential outcomes, both positive and negative, and understanding these is key to making good choices. For instance, if you are contemplating accepting a new job offer, it's important to weigh the benefits of the opportunity, such as a higher salary or better career prospects, against potential downsides like longer working hours, a longer commute, or the impact on your work-life balance. You might also consider how this change could affect your family or personal life. Taking the time to thoroughly assess these consequences will help you make a decision that aligns with your long-term goals and values. Seeking diverse perspectives is another vital strategy in decision-making. Often, we can become so focused on a particular decision that we lose sight of other possibilities. By reaching out to others, you can gain new insights and consider options you might not have thought of on your own. For example, discussing your decision with friends, family, or colleagues can provide a fresh perspective and help you see the situation from different angles. Suppose you are thinking about starting a new business. Talking to someone who has experience in entrepreneurship can offer practical advice and highlight potential challenges you hadn't considered before. This broader view can lead for more balanced and informed decision making. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of trusting your instincts. While logic and reason are indispensable tools in decision making, of course, intuition plays a significant role too. Our instincts are often informed by our experiences and can guide us in making good choices, particularly when we faced similar situations before. For instance, if you're an experienced manager, your gut feeling might steer you toward the right candidate during a job interview, even if their resume isn't the most impressive. Trusting your gut can be especially helpful when a decision requires a quick response, allowing you to act confidently and decisively. By incorporating these strategies, defining clear goals, gathering comprehensive information, considering the consequences thoroughly, seeking diverse perspectives, and trusting your instincts, you can enhance your decision-making abilities and make choices that support your aspirations and values. Of course, even with the best strategies, decision-making can be challenging, right? There are a few common pitfalls to watch out for. Overthinking is a big one. Spending too much time analyzing can lead to decision paralysis. So set a deadline for your decision to avoid getting stuck in the analysis mode. Then there's the fear of failure. The fear of making the wrong choice can be paralyzing. Remember, mistakes are just opportunities to learn and grow. And be cautious of confirmation bias. This is when we only look for information that supports what we already believe. Strive for a balanced view by considering opposing perspectives. In conclusion, making good choices is an essential skill that can lead to a more satisfying and successful life. By clearly defining your goals, by gathering the right information, by considering the consequences, by seeking diverse perspectives, and by trusting your instincts, you can improve your decision-making abilities. While it's normal to face challenges along the way, being aware of common pitfalls can help you navigate the process more effectively. So embrace the art of decision-making, and you will find yourself making choices that truly align with your values and with your aspirations. All right, I hope you liked this video and, more importantly, found it helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my future new videos. Also, if you subscribe, it really helps my channel grow and it helps me make more helpful content for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in my next video.